slide PowerPoint. Oh my God, I'm sorry. That's a lot of work, y'all. So that being the case, go through to, you try the Three Little Pigs, Jack and the Beanstalk, Cinderella, and the Little Red Riding Hood, and maybe try and put someone on trial. Ask someone to put you on trial, and you would be one of these characters as to why, if you're the wolf, why did you blow down the Three Little Pigs' homes, okay? Cinderella, same thing. I don't know what her claim would be, but think of something, all right? So go through. Usually we do this in class. It gives you a little bit multiple minds that come up with really good ideas. So anyway, I am way over time on this, but it is the nature of the beast when it comes to lecture and it comes to critical thinking. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Question mark? I don't know. It's always hard to do this on a video. I can usually do better when we're interacting because I get like, oh yeah, it's a great idea too, right? So we work together. For this, you're just going to hear me babble. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, you enjoy yourselves. And don't forget, you still have a movie to watch. Thank you for smoking. And you will see a lot of these vocabulary words do intertwine, so please make sure you get that done. I'll see you on the other end.